How to close or cancel your Amazon seller account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can close or delete Amazon seller accounts. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into the Amazon Seller Central with your seller account. Once you're signed and once you see this kind of interface, head over to top right corner. Then you have to click on the settings like icon. After that, from this drop down menu box, you have to head over to account information. So tap on account information. After that, navigate to the bottom right corner under account management. There is an option to close account. So click or tap on close account. Now, once you land on this interface, here it says downgrade or close your account. From there, you have to select the second option that says request account closure. So select it, then tap on next. After that, make sure that you follow another prompt carefully where you may be required to answer few additional information. If prompted, make sure that you answer other questions, and after that confirm your cancellation, review your information. Then once your account is closed, you will get a confirmation message or email. So that's it. That's how you can close or delete your Amazon seller account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.